Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of this 10-piece Mixology set. This is a product that lives on my husband's bar cart in his office, but I'll show you what it includes. This wood base, in my opinion, is really pretty. It's probably my favorite thing about it. It is water resistant. So you get with it a 12-inch spoon. So when you're ready to stir your cocktail that's ready to go, you have this measurer. So you have two different sizes here, 1 ounce and 2 ounces, depending on which side you use. The muddler has a nice coarse bottom, so when you're grinding up, basil or another herb, it's ready to go. You have a corkscrew that also contains a bottle opener, fits right here. You have these little guys that help you pour your simple syrups. You can attach on a bottle head. And then your ice tongs. Let's see, let's get them out. There we go. So you have really cute little ice tongs. You can add ice to the drinks. And then the 24-ounce shaker bottle, you have the top that comes off here, which I think is nice. So it'll strain through the top. And it also will unscrew here. And you can use the strainer for this. So this spring is attached here. So as you're straining, you could also put this on the top of it. Like it will fit on a different bottle top if you need to strain out of a drink. And that will just give it elasticity. You can also use it on this tumbler. So this looks stylish. It's cool. Like I said, the base is water resistant, so it holds up over time. We've owned this for about 3 years. We really like it. It's functional and pretty, so it's a product we recommend.